Have a good attitude. We've been
Good
nothing
attitude.
but nice to you.
My attorney
Don't
said,
interrupt the judge when he's talking. Just be quiet.
having a conversation.
Stop talking.
Asterisk, hold up. What happens when a 20-year-old defendant walks into court with more attitude than evidence? You're about to witness one of the most intense courtroom showdowns we've ever covered. We got a judge demanding proof of GED enrollment, a defendant who claims he's been waiting since 8:30 a.m., and an attorney caught in the middle of a communication breakdown that could have avoided this entire hearing. But here's where it gets wild. This young man thinks he can challenge a judge's authority, claims he'll be way richer than the judge one day, and nearly lands himself in jail for contempt. The tension in this courtroom is about to reach a breaking point, and trust me, you don't want to miss what happens when ego meets authority in the justice system. Let's dive into this explosive case. Asterisk.
He's enrolled.
Where's Mr. Calhoun?
He's outside. The proof that he brought me or showed is on his phone. It doesn't have his name.
Okay, tell him he's got until Monday to bring me something. Otherwise, I'm going to be very upset with him. Hint.
He's a little upset with me right now.
Do you want me to talk to him? Okay, bring him in. Hold on a second. Give me a second. You're walking in here like you got some kind of swagger.
I don't got no swagger.
That's right. Swagger comes with this, comes with knowledge. That's swagger.
Yes, sir.
What have you done?
Trying to get to work.
What does that mean?
Trying to get to work. Trying to get my research so I can get to work.
Asterisk, okay, pause right there. Did you catch that power move? The judge just called out Mr. Calhoun's body language before he even opened his mouth. This is Courtroom Psychology 101. Judges read everything, from how you walk to how you stand. And that line about swagger comes with knowledge, that's the judge establishing dominance immediately. Notice how Calhoun tries to deflect by saying he's just trying to get to work, but he's already lost ground. This is exactly why attorneys tell their clients to dress appropriately and maintain respectful body language. First impressions in court can literally determine your fate. The judge is clearly irritated, and Calhoun hasn't even presented his evidence yet. Question for you all. Do you think the judge was too harsh right off the bat, or was this necessary to establish order? Let me know in the comments. Asterisk.
I told you to enroll in GED classes.
This is full of ACD. Got orientation today. Can I look at my phone and show you what time?
Sure.
All the sound effects is not needed.
I'm breathing. I can breathe. It's my right.
If you give me attitude,
I don't got an attitude with you, Judge. I'm just saying
you're going to end up in...
frustrated. I got a right to be frustrated. I've been here since 8:30. Finna be late. I just got my job actually 2 days ago. Finna be late on the first day. So
Also, for my client, we could have avoided this court date had he shown me this.
yeah, he did. He also did. He
And
also
I've been
did.
trying to contact him for 4 days.
Today, July 31st at 5 p.m. I missed the 28th because I had something else to do, but I'm
Put your
going
hands
to.
down by your side.
It says registration in person, July 29th and 31, 8 a.m. or 5 p.m.
5 p.m. I missed 8 a.m.
Get church.
Huh? That's GET Church. It's an HCBE program.
This doesn't even have your name on it.
I already filled it out. It's in my email, but I don't have internet like that here. It's gonna take a lot to pull up. You don't think I did it?
No, I
Okay,
don't.
well, that's fine. I got the
So,
email.
I do.
Asterisk, this is where everything starts unraveling. The evidence doesn't have his name on it. That's Courtroom Evidence 101 failure right there. But here's what's fascinating. There's a clear communication breakdown between the attorney and client. The attorney claims they tried contacting Calhoun 4 times, while Calhoun insists he was never contacted. This happens more often than you'd think in the legal system. Pro tip for anyone facing court. Always maintain a paper trail with your attorney. Screenshots, emails, call logs, everything. The judge is clearly skeptical and honestly, showing up with incomplete documentation after being given specific instructions? That's playing with fire. Also, did you notice how Calhoun mentioned he just got a job 2 days ago? The timing here is suspicious. Did he only get the job because of the court requirement? The plot thickens. Asterisk.
Mr. Calhoun,
Yes, sir.
2 things. I don't like to play games.
I'm not playing no games with you.
You're coming in here with an attitude.
I have an attitude with you, sir. I'm just a little frustrated. I have a right to be frustrated as a human being. Just like you get frustrated with me when we tell you lies and think that you're stupid, I got the right to be frustrated. Because just like you want me to get right, that's what I'm trying to do for myself. Not for you, for myself and my daughter. But I have to sit up here until 11:30 when I'm supposed to be here at 8:30, from what my attorney told me.
How many times did you contact him?
He didn't contact me not one time. He contacted me yesterday.
4 times, Judge. We tried to call
I'm
him.
talking to you.
Asterisk whoa. Did he really just tell the judge, I don't need your help? This is exactly how you don't handle a courtroom situation. Look, I get it. He's frustrated. He's been waiting. He has a daughter to support. But challenging a judge's authority like this, that's courtroom suicide. Notice how he tries to backtrack with all due respect. But the damage is already done. Here's the reality check. When you're in front of a judge for probation or any court order requirement, humility goes a long way. The judge literally holds your freedom in their hands. Also, the contradiction here is glaring. If he was going to get his GD anyway, why didn't he have proper enrollment proof ready? This defensive attitude is digging him deeper into trouble. And the judge's patience is clearly wearing thin. Asterisk.
Talking to him.
Contact 4 times, Your Honor. Despite his breathing. On the 30th, we spoke to someone who says he's his wife.
No, that was my mother.
And on the 29th, we tried to reach out. There was no answer. So it was 2 times we tried. We spoke to his mother as soon as yesterday.
He never called my phone number, not once.
If you would have responded to him, gotten the proof to him,
Sir, I have other things that I have to do too as well. I have a whole daughter that I have to take care of. I have to work a job. I can't. My GED was going to come regardless if I had to see you or not. So if I had to come here to see you just to get a GED, I was going to get it regardless. I didn't need your help to get my GED, sir. That's what I want to do for myself. I don't need your help, Judge. With all due respect, I thank you for doing that because it's going to make me get it faster. But I was going to do that on my own already. I made a mistake. Yes, I'm back here again. This is my 2nd time seeing you in my life, okay? Understand that.
Mr. Calhoun, I'm going to bring you back here on Monday,
Okay, that's fine.
and I want to see the proof of enrollment with your name on it.
Go back outside and go get my email. I already filled out the,
Nope.
I already did that.
I will see you on Monday. My son is sick. He's got a high fever and his eye hurts. And I was supposed to get him about half an hour ago. So I'm leaving now to go get him so I can take him to the doctor. I will put you back on Monday. Come back, get a good night's sleep, have a good attitude. We've been
Good
nothing but nice to you.
My attorney.
Don't interrupt the judge when he's talking. Just be
We're
quiet.
having a conversation.
Stop talking.
When you get into a pissing match with people with power, who's going to lose?
I listen to you.
Astor's the attorney just dropped the truth bomb of the century. When you get into a pissing match with people with power, who's going to lose? This is literally life advice 101. People, but wait, did you catch that sudden shift? Now there's a sick child involved? The timing of this revelation is interesting. Is this a legitimate emergency or a sympathy play? Either way, the judge shows restraint by still scheduling for Monday instead of holding him in contempt right now. The attorney is desperately trying to save his client from himself, but Calhoun keeps interrupting. This is a masterclass in what not to do in court. The tension in this room is palpable, and we're about to witness the breaking point. Seriously, how many of you are cringing watching this self-destruction? Because I'm getting secondhand anxiety just analyzing this. Asterisk.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
You're going to get it one day, Mr. Calhoun.
I am, and I'm gonna be way richer than him.
Okay, I hope so. I really
You
do.
gotta hope.
You know,
You're gonna see me.
you're 20, you don't even have a high school education, dude.
I don't know a lot of people that don't have
You
one.
need it.
No, I don't. But
Well,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you
Yes,
need
sir.
it with me.
Yes, sir.
Right.
You're right. Only because you said so, Judge. But I was gonna
So-
regardless.
I will see you back here on Monday.
Yes, sir.
I want you to be nice.
Be nice
Get a
to
good
who
night's
don't
sleep.
Respect me. I respect them.
If you interrupt me again, I'm going to put you in jail.
Asterisk, did he just say he'll be way richer than the judge? At 20 years old, without a high school diploma, standing in court for compliance issues? The audacity is absolutely mind-blowing. And then the judge drops the ultimate threat. Interrupt me again, I'm going to put you in jail. That's not a suggestion, folks. That's a promise. This is contempt of court territory, and Calhoun is literally one word away from spending the night in a cell. The attorneys try to coach him with yes, sir, but the damage is catastrophic. This young man just turned a simple compliance hearing into a potential jail sentence. The ego, the disrespect, the complete lack of self-awareness. This is exactly why some people end up in the system repeatedly. What do you all think? Is this youthful ignorance or dangerous arrogance? Asterisk.
Just don't. It's not hard to be nice, man. Really. You have some kind of aggression from somehow, somewhere, really. All we're trying to be nice and try to see you better yourself. That's all we're doing. Okay. So come back here Monday. I want the proof with your name on it. And then, if so, we will pat you on your back and we'll send you on your way. Do you understand?
This will be the time to do that.
Yes or no?
Yes.
That smirk doesn't do you well.
What's smart?
Asterisk wow. Just wow. Let's break down what we just witnessed. A 20-year-old defendant, Mr. Calhoun, came to court for a simple GED enrollment compliance check and nearly talked himself into a jail cell. The judge gave him multiple chances, extended the deadline to Monday, and showed remarkable restraint despite being told he'd be way richer someday. The key takeaways? First, always have proper documentation with your name on it. Second, never challenge a judge's authority. They literally control your freedom. Third, your attorney is there to help you. Communicate with them. This case shows how quickly a routine hearing can spiral when ego overtakes common sense. Mr. Calhoun has until Monday to provide proper enrollment proof. But more importantly, he needs to check his attitude at the door. The real question is, will he learn from this near disaster, or will Monday bring round 2 of this confrontation? If you found this courtroom breakdown as jaw-dropping as we did, smash that like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the judge was too lenient or just right? And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more explosive courtroom coverage. We post new cases every week that'll leave you speechless. Until next time, remember, respect the robe, bring your proof, and leave your ego at home. Asterisk.